Welcome to Infinity Capital, everyone. This is Raj. So today we are going to talk about Lupin Pharmaceuticals. So Lupin Pharmaceuticals is the third largest generic company in US by the number of prescriptions. And so about their business, they get 38% of their revenues from the US business, 34% of their revenues come from the India business. Apart from that, they have R&D facilities also, you know. So this is about the company. They have around 15 manufacturing facilities in India, you know, and out of this, three facilities are located outside. So they have one facility in USA, one in Mexico, and one in Brazil. So apart from these manufacturing facilities, they have the API facilities as well, wherein they make APIs, active pharmaceutical ingredients. So this is what the business is all about. So they make finished dosage formulations, APIs. They do research and development also. So it's a all-rounder company in terms of pharma. Now, let's do a quick check as to, about their manufacturing facilities. So these dots marked in yellow are the manufacturing facilities in India, and the dots marked in black are the R&D facilities that they have all around the world, research and development facilities they have all around the world. So these are the states wherein their facilities are located. So it's a huge company. Okay. Now, if you must have noticed that IT and pharma are the two sectors that have been doing very well, since the start of this year, and the trend is most likely to continue because these are the two sectors. IT, pharma, FMCG are the sectors that are least affected by the second wave and the second lockdown. So it's an interesting space to be in the short term. One other interesting development about Lupin is that they have received a payment of around 50 million, which is around 364 crores. So this is also a key development that has happened. So this 364 crores will add up on this on the profits. So this will take the profits to up to around 1500-1600 crores. So this number is pretty significant, and it will possibly propel the stock higher by at least 25-30%. That is my understanding. All right, so let's look at the shareholding pattern. Promoters hold good amount of stake, so do FIIs and DIIs. So this is a very good shareholding pattern that I like to see, because institutions hold on to the stock for longer period of time, and that is the reason why you can see sustained up move in stocks. So public has only 12%, 12 to 13% of shares to be traded out with the public on a regular basis. So the company generated around 1800 crores of operating cash flow, which is very good. Last year they generated 1400 crores. So these numbers are very, very good. During COVID times also they generated good cash flows from operations. They've trimmed down their debt, so their debt has come down from 8,000 crores to around 3,000 crores. So that is very good. They have investments of around 2,400 crores. They have around 1,700 crores of cash on the balance sheet. So from this brief overview, this looks very, very good. The balance sheet looks very good. Obviously, if you are looking to do a long-term investment, you could, take a deep dive into the balance sheet and do a more detailed study. Let's look at the sales. The sales are pretty much flat since the past few years, and the margins have also gone down. That is also the reason why, if you notice, the net profit is the profits have been very erratic. All right, so this is the stage where the company was struggling. However, if you see this year, they have posted 1200 crores of profits on sales of 15,000 crores. So these numbers look very, very good. Also, their interest component has gone down. If you see, from around 360 crores, their interest component has gone down. So if they continue to shave off their debt, it will show up in the profits, because if this interest component goes down, the profits will rise. So these numbers are also pretty good on a quarter-on-quarter basis. If you'll see, the profits have gone higher. Last quarter, the sales were around 3,800 crores. This quarter, the sales are 3,800 crore. However, the profits are higher. So overall, these numbers look very encouraging, and that is the reason I've picked this stock, for analysis. On the PE front, this is a little skewed right now because they had losses and then they had profits. So this chart is looking skewed. Let's have a quick look at the chart. So just a second, guys. I'm just going to load the chart for Lupin. Just a moment, guys. Yes, Lupin India. So if you will notice on your left, we have the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So the stock was actually consolidating in this range since last September. It was consolidating in this range, and then it has broken out. So the 200 days trending upwards, the 50 days also trending upwards. So this is a very good thing. Now what has happened, the stock was consolidating here and then it suddenly broke out. See this huge price move, and now it is consolidating over here. So the idea is to basically buy it in this range. Currently it is consolidating in this range. The idea is to start accumulating the stock in this range. Now what can we look at in terms of on the upside target? So the stock is quite low from its all-time high. It is around 40-45% low from its all-time high. And if you notice that there has been a substantial breakout with very high volume, so we can expect the stock to first reach the level of around 562. I'm sorry, 1700 is the level that I expected to reach first. So this is the area. This is the area where the stock might face some selling pressure. So we are looking at a good, around 35 to 45% up move from here in the next 4 to 6 months. And considering the fact that the pharma space has been doing very well, and we have not seen any substantial rally in Lupin. Most pharma stocks have at least gone up by 200-300% from their COVID bottom, but we have not seen a substantial rally in Lupin. So my calculated bet is that we can see a good rally in Lupin in the coming days. So that's the analysis, guys. Quick disclaimer, this is not a buy sell recommendation. So this is an educational video. Please consult your financial advisor before buying or selling any shares. Thank you.